Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make scrambled eggs Marco Pierre white style. To begin, let's gather our simple yet essential ingredients. You'll need 3 fresh eggs, a generous knob of unsalted butter, and 1 tablespoon of cold creme fraiche. Also, have your salt and white pepper at the ready. This method focuses on quality ingredients and a gentle approach to achieve a truly luxurious result. Now for the cooking process, which is all about patience and low heat. Crack your 3 eggs directly into a cold nonstick pan, then add a generous knob of unsalted butter. Place the pan over the absolute lowest heat setting you can manage. The key here is to stir continuously and very gently with a rubber spatula, ensuring the eggs cook slowly and evenly without scrambling too quickly. This slow cooking develops a wonderfully creamy texture. The secret to Marco Pierre White's signature creamy texture lies in this crucial step. Once your eggs are still slightly runny, but beginning to set, immediately remove the pan from the heat. Now, add 1 tablespoon of cold creme fraiche. Stir this through the eggs until it's completely incorporated. The cold creme fraiche instantly stops the cooking process, preventing your eggs from overcooking and ensuring they remain incredibly rich, loose, and velvety. Finally, it's time to season and serve your exquisite scrambled eggs. Add a pinch of salt and a dash of white pepper to taste, stirring them gently through the creamy mixture. Remember, seasoning at the end prevents the eggs from becoming watery. Serve these luxurious eggs immediately on warm, buttered toast or alongside your favorite breakfast items. This simple, elegant method truly elevates a classic dish into something extraordinary.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.